Hello, I am John Milton, the poet who wrote Paradise Lost. I once lived at Weld's Green, Wistaston, Nantwich, Cheshire. Coincidentally, Thomas Paget, a Puritan minister, also lived at the same place, and author Decimus Buglaughton believes I am actually Shakespeare's son. You see, Nathan Paget was my best friend, and he was Thomas Paget's son, and my third wife, Elizabeth Horton, was also from Nantwich. Buglaughton is convinced that Thomas Paget was an alias of the bard, and born in Nantwich. He has made many YouTube videos on his channel, The Real Shakespeare 9243. Buglaughton made this video using the AI-enhanced video editing software HEDRA, which he believes offers unprecedented features for describing our history, using actual portraits of the characters involved. I think he has demonstrated that this is feasible with me as an example. To watch his videos, simply look at the YouTube description of this video and click the More button to show the links to the channel I mentioned. There are also links to my article on Wikipedia, as well as links to article on my father's, alias Thomas Paget, and my friend Nathan, both from Nantwich. In a moment, you will see an 1882 map of the Nantwich area published in 1882, and it will zoom in on Wells Green, previously known as Weld's Green, where I lived with my father, who preached in Nantwich with his alleged brother, John Paget, who was rector of St. Mary's Church in 1595. Thank you for watching Decimus Buglaughton's video about me and my bard alias father, Thomas Paget. I do hope this sparks an interest in you finding out more about the other aliases of the man known as Shakespeare, and I called Father. It was mostly thanks to his genius that I became who I am.